with songs, dance, and laughter too. We have so much to show you.
With hearts full of joy, we welcome you here to celebrate our efforts so dear and sincere. Your smiles are the sunshine that light up our way. Your love is the reason we grow every day.
Thank you, dear parents, for all that you do. Jashne Bachpan is a gift from us to you. We are delighted that you are here today. Let's make this a magical day.
The world is full of diamonds and gems, and we are having a cluster of them here today. On behalf of Delhi Public School, I extend a heart-pouring welcome to Principal Ma'am, our dear parents and grandparents. Your presence has added a glittering vibrancy to our celebration and much-awaited occasion. Jashne Bachpan.
Our school song Takshila Gan reminds us of valuable knowledge that resonates deep within our souls. It carries the essence of our identity, values, and community spirit. Its power lies in unifying us, preserving our cherished traditions, and instilling pride in every heart it touches. So, we present to you the school choir singing Takshila Gan, a tribute to our glorious past and a reflection to our vibrant present.
किरदार करतो वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
गणनायकाय गणदेवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय
गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गणानाम गणपति गणेश लंबोदर सोहे भुजाचार इक दंत चंद्रमाल लाट राजे ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश ताल दे दुर्पद गावे अति विचित्र गणनाथ आज मेरे दंग बजावे धरान धर धर के धान दिन 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 नागे 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 धन धन तिनि तिनि ताके नन दा दिगन दिग दिग दिन 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 नागे दिन नागे ताक धान कृतक धरान तरान धरान तरान धा कृतक धरान तरान धा धा कृदान कृतक धरान तरान धा कृतक धरान तरान धा कृतक धरान तरान धा धा कृदान कृतक धरान तरान धा कृतक धरान तरान धा कृतक धरान तरान धा
The presentation of the school report is a significant moment, capturing the essence of the school's journey over the academic year. It highlights accomplishments, addresses challenges, and strengthens the sense of unity within the school community. It not only records our achievements, but also maps out an exciting journey for future growth, setting the stage for fantastic and successful academic years ahead.
Think of it as our treasure map, leading to an even more amazing adventures in learning. The 2024-25 session was packed with both academic and co-curricular activities, featuring engaging events designed to enhance our learning experiences. Among these, the standout events included the section-wise class presentation, which played a key role in supplementing skill development.
The success of these presentations was possible due to the introduction of public speaking classes, which enhanced our confidence and developed our auditory skills. It played a crucial role in helping us gain confidence and improve our communication skills.
So the morning assemblies our class teachers aimed at polishing our speaking skills, interpersonal skills and our general knowledge. These assemblies helped us overcome stage fright and become skilled orators.
Every week, students eagerly looked forward to Thursday activity with excitement and anticipation. These activities nurtured enthusiasm and team spirit. These activities were the perfect blend of fun and teamwork, making each week a little more thrilling.
Let's not forget how much our school prioritized hands-on and interactive learning. Instead of just sticking to the usual traditional methods, we dived into exciting activities like exploring the world of stories during the READ program, Red Geo activities, taking up monthly projects, cooking activity, bioscope activities. The list is endless. Each one of them gave us a chance to learn in creative ways.
Books are like magical treasure chests, brimming with enchanting stories and thrilling adventures. Embracing the habit of reading unlocks a gateway to a world of imagination and discovery. Today's play is a theatrical presentation of the four stories from our READ program. I am already excited to share with you that today's narrator is a crocodile. Yes, you heard it right. The famous smile by Geeta Dharmarajan is about a crocodile, Agar Magar, who goes places flaunting his sparkling shiny teeth and his smile. So I invite all of you to come and be a part in making his smile famous by taking a tour of the mighty river, the deep forest and the big town. Samina Mishra's Shabana and the Baby Goat shows the talent of Shabana as she finds a productive way to use Kadri, the goat's chewing skills. It is so much fun reading Kadri's messages, and I am certain everyone will have a hearty laugh while watching it. Thukpa for All is another story in which a delicious noodle soup made by Sering's grandmother. It is a delightful family story written by Prabharam and Sheila Preet. But it took too long to prepare the soup, so I wonder if the family can relish it. Next comes a beautiful story, Dugga by Rajiv Epe. It shows how life turns upside down without giving any warning and throws Dugga in a bewildered world of suffering. But with the help of empathy and care, Dugga finally finds her way back home. Preserving the festive mood all around the campus. It's time to have some real fun together. To cherish the chunks of joy, we request you to switch off your mobile phones or keep them on silent mode and dive into the merry feast with us, as pictures and videos will be made available on the school website. Lo and behold, let the play unfold. The teeth of the crocodile are the brightest in the entire forest. He cleans his teeth every day with a neem branch. He sits on the bank of a river and thinks, if only someone would see his smile and say, wow, Agar Magar, your teeth are so beautiful and shiny. But no one says that.
Every day he would go out in search of someone who would praise his teeth. Even today, Agar Magar has gone out to find someone. Some are long and some are small. Some are still while others are tall. Some are long and some are small. Some are still while others are tall. We are bright and shining, black, blue and gold, sparkling like treasures, a sight to behold. Colorful sail like a butterfly's fly, glide into the water, what a lovely sound. Glide into the water, what a lovely sound. Glide into the water, what a lovely
Today my teeth are shining a lot. I will show them to the rabbits. Hey rabbits, look at my teeth. Eee! Oh God, what long teeth he
It
has.
seems as if sharp knives are shining in a row.
Before we go between those teeth, let's go from here.
In the swamp, a croc named Agar Magar grins wide. With pearly white teeth, he beams with pride.
Best smile around. He boasts with a flair, but those hungry looks say, beware, beware.
Yes, let's go ahead.
What is this? The rabbits have gone. They must be envy of my shiny, beautiful teeth. Doesn't matter. Wow, wow, wow. The grass here is so green, it must be good to eat.
Absolutely, the grass on the banks of this river is very tasty and nutritious.
Absolutely good in proteins, minerals and fibers.
So let's try it.
Wow! Such a beautiful day! Hey, do you notice something great about me? How are my teeth?
Eee! Oh God, his teeth are as sharp as grass.
Before his teeth and their stomachs, let us run away.
Stop, stop. But what about the grass?
If you love the grass, stay here. If you love your life, run away. Zebras too are gone. Why does everyone run away on seeing me? Oh, it's okay. I will go further.
How are you, Taigu? You are unable to walk. It seems you have eaten too much today.
You are right, my friend. I don't feel like walking here. I feel like sleeping here.
Who is coming?
It is good that I met you both. Tell me, how are my teeth?
Oh God, his mouth is very big. I will run away, Taigu.
You are right, my friend. We have to run away from here. Tiger and giraffe are also gone. Oh, it's okay. I will go further. In a swamp where the lilies sway, lived Agar Magar, bright and gay.
With teeth like daggers gleaming white, he strutted around. Oh, what a sight!
But one a sunny day, a rabbit said, "Dear crow, smile, you will get ahead."
Agar thought hard, gave it a try. Then all the animals let out a cry.
Now that's again so bright and white. Toothy but friendly, come join the ride.
Now in the swamp with charm on display, Agar Magar sings.
Hooray on the friendliest crow!
Hey Croc, look at me. Thank you. May I ask you a question? How are my teeth? Your teeth are the whitest, brightest and most beautiful in the whole world. I was roaming around the whole day in search of such teeth. I was also roaming around the whole day to hear the same. But what will you do with my photographs? I will use them in the toothpaste advertisement. Wow! My photographs will appear in the toothpaste advertisement. I had never thought of this. This will be the best advertisement of this year. You will be the best model. Come with me. Yay! Today Agar Magar have made a jungle famous. He walked in so many advertisements and movies. Last week I saw him selling toothpaste. Now that's a crocodile with a bite.
And his articles are being published everywhere. Newspapers, magazines. There was even a special on how to stay fresh with Agar Magar.
Don't forget the comics. I have got all of them. The Adventures of Agar Magar Toothpaste Crusader.
And you know, he was invited to the Cartoon Network. I saw him chilling with Tom and Jerry.
Thank you, my fellow jungle dwellers. It's been an honor to represent our wide and wonderful home. We request you to tell us about the city. What was it like? Oh, the city, quite a place. I went to so many places and I met so many people. One of them was a very interesting human named Shabana. Oh, and what's so special about Shabana? Well, Shabana loves a lamp more than anything in the world. Everywhere she goes, the lamp follows. It's almost like they are glued together. Oh, tell us the story.
You know we love stories.
Why not? I'll tell you the tale of Shabana and her beloved lamp. It's a story of loyalty, laughter, and a little bit of Baba. Yay! Story time! Story time with Agar Magar.
क्या होगा? कैसे होगा? कैसे होगा? कुछ तो करना ही पड़ेगा। शबाना सिर्फ 4 साल की थी जब बकरी ने एक प्यारा सा बच्चा दिया था और शबाना ने उस बच्चे का नाम रखा कजरी। नाम सुनते ही ऐसा लगा जैसे फिल्म की हीरोइन का नाम हो।
अब तो शबाना दिन रात कजरी के साथ रहती है। जहाँ शबाना वहाँ कजरी। जब शबाना झूला झूलती है, कजरी भी वहीं खड़ी रहती है जैसे उसका बॉडीगार्ड हो।
और जब शबाना आंगन बुहारने में अम्मा की मदद करती तब भी कजरी वहीं रहती जैसे उसके बिना कुछ साफ ही नहीं होगा। इतना ही नहीं, जब शबाना इमाम साहब को खीर देने जाती है कजरी भी उसके साथ चल पड़ती है जैसे इमाम साहब का टेस्टर हो।
गापर को पता है वो दोनों पक्की सहेली है। इंसान और बकरी की ऐसी दोस्ती कभी देखी है? लेकिन अब कजरी बड़ी हो गई है और माँ का दूध उसके लिए काफी नहीं है। अब ठोस खाना चाहिए उसे।
और ये जिम्मेदारी किसे दी गई है? शबाना को। अब देखो क्या तमाशा होता है।
पकाओगी, वाह, इससे स्वादिष्ट कुछ नहीं। पर ये क्या, अभी तक शुबाना ने दूध नहीं पिया? शुबाना, शुबाना,
क्या हुआ दादी?
जल्दी से दूध पी लो। मैं रसोई से होके आई, पालक बना रही हूँ।
कजरी, ये क्या कर रही हो तुम? छोड़ दो इसे, छोड़ दो।
क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ? क्या हो रहा है यहाँ?
बाप रे बाप, कजरी ने तो पालक के पत्ते खा लिए।
अम्मा, बस थोड़े से ही तो पत्ते खाए हैं कजरी ने। आप तो बाकी की सब्जी आराम से बना सकते हो।
बिल्कुल नहीं, अब इसे बाहर ले जाओ और बाकी के पत्ते भी कजरी को ही खिला दो। मुझे नहीं चाहिए पालक की सब्जी, आज कजरी का पेट भरेगा।
ठीक है, पालक का झंडा छोड़ो, मैं दाल चावल बना देती हूँ। चलिए अम्मा, किचन का मोर्चा संभालते हैं।
तुम्हारी वजह से मुझे पालक से छुट्टी मिल गई। वाह, क्या दोस्त हो तुम।
The other day, Shabana visited her Fufi's house, her aunt's home, to practice reciting the Quran, as her Fufi Jammu conducts daily Quran recitation sessions. As Shabana began her recitation, little Kajri was up to her usual playful mischief. आज हम फाख्ता पढ़ेंगे शबाना।
ठीक है फुफ्फो।
ताबा ताबा है रे मैं नया बुरका।
कजरी, ये कपड़ा है, कोई खाने की चीज नहीं। कजरी, मेरी सुनो, प्लीज प्लीज कजरी। माफ कीजिए फुफ्फो, माफ कीजिए।
देख लेना शबाना, अगर इस बार इस बकरी को लोहे की जंजीर से नहीं बांधा तो ये जंगल की सुल्तान बन जाएगी।
मैं चलती हूँ। अमीना बहन, अली भाईजान, अमीना बहन, अली भाईजान, अमीना बहन, अली भाईजान।
क्या हुआ भाईजान, आप सब एक साथ क्यों आए हैं?
आप सब मेले में जा रहे हैं क्या?
नहीं, हम सब तुम्हारे पास ही आए हैं। क्या हुआ, सब खैरियत तो है ना? हमें कचरी के बारे में कुछ बात करनी है।
बताइए आप, क्या बात है?
कल शबाना कुएं पर आई और साथ में कजरी को भी ले आई। आपा बाल्टी से पानी निकाल ही रहे थे कि कचरी ने रस्सी चबा डाली। रस्सी टूट गई और बाल्टी नीचे गिर गई।
बाल्टी तो अगले दिन निकाल ली गई, मगर कल जब मास्टर जी विद्यालय में पढ़ा रहे थे, कजरी ने मास्टर जी की किताब के पन्ने खा लिए।
यह तो बहुत बुरी बात है, हम आपसे माफी चाहते हैं।
माफी मत मांगे भाईजान, आप कुछ कीजिए। मैं शबाना को बुलाती हूँ। शबाना, शबाना।
क्या हुआ अम्मी? क्या कजरी ने रस्सी और किताब चबा डाली? वह छोटी है, इसे समझ नहीं आता कि क्या खाना चाहिए और क्या नहीं। लेकिन इससे लोगों को परेशानी होती है। क्या किसी को परेशान करना अच्छी बात होती है?
नहीं अब्बा।
तो अब से कजरी तुम्हारे साथ बाहर नहीं जाएगी।
कजरी अब से बाड़े में रहेगी अपनी अम्मा और दूसरे दोस्तों के साथ।
जाओ, कजरी को बाड़े में छोड़ कर आओ।
ठीक है अब्बा। चलो कजरी। कजरी, सब नाराज हो रहे हैं हमसे। अब हम भी चलते हैं। अभी नहीं, अभी आप लोग अंदर तशरीफ रखिए, मैं चाय बनाकर लाती हूँ, पीकर जाइए। आइए।
Continuous on the farm, so bright, with a dog ahead, a goat inside. Two little rabbits, five fish in a row, dancing and jumping, putting on a show. Continuous on the farm, so bright. Continuous on the farm, so Oh, the laughter, the joy, it feels so wide. But Shabana was home with no one beside. She used to play, now she feels so sad. In the quiet little house, the shadows leave their Shabana visits the farm so fair, but when she comes back it's empty there. She wanders the path, sighs in her heart, missing the laughter, longing to restart, longing to restart, longing to
The next day, Shabana was ready for her school. As she made her way, she spotted Ramkishore Kaka cutting the grass near the mandir. And when she returned home, she saw him still trimming the grass.
ये क्या काका, मैं जब सुबह पाठशाला जा रही थी तब भी आप काम कर रहे थे और अब मैं वापस घर जा रही हूँ तो भी आप काम कर रहे हो।
क्या करूं बेटी, मुझे मंदिर के बाहर की सारी घास हटानी है और यह घास फिर उग जाती है।
अगर आपको घास नहीं चाहिए तो मैं आपकी मदद कर सकती हूँ, मैं अभी आती हूँ।
शबाना कजरी को मंदिर के पास ले गई। कजरी ने घास खाना शुरू किया और अपने पेट को भर लिया। अब उसे किसी चीज को चबाने की जरूरत नहीं थी। शबाना उसे हर रोज वही लेके आती और भर पेट घास खिलाती।
Do humans love us animals?
Absolutely, they consider us different and take care of us. That is good, but don't they keep us locked in houses? I have seen animals on the road too. Birds are kept in cages. Some animals are tied with ropes, so they don't wander. Some animals do live outside, but people take care of them too.
Do people help when these animals are sick?
Absolutely. Dugga story is also like this.
Dugga? Who is Dugga? Yes, who is he?
Dugga belonged to a breed of wolves that started living with humans. Did it fall sick? Did humans help it? Absolutely.
Then tell us the story, brother.
Yes, tell us the story, brother. I will tell you, but first, let me brush my teeth. Let's go.
उठो दुग्गा।
लगता है ये दुग्गा अभी तक जगा रही, मैं उसे जगाता हूँ। कुक्कड़ू कड़ू, कुक्कड़ू कड़ू, कुक्कड़ू कड़ू। सुबह हुई तो दुग्गा जग गया, जगते ही वे काम पे लग गया।
अपनी अकड़न दूर की उसने पाँव को फैलाया। देखो 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 लोगों,
देखो 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 लोगों,
देखो दुग्गा आया,
देखो दुग्गा आया। उठो दुग्गा उठो, सुबह हो गई है।
सूरज निकल गया। ओहो, मैं तो सोया ही रह गया।
चलो अब काम पर लगो।
Where are you, my friend? Where are you? I have arrived and I am starving.
Here I am. Let's hurry to that garbage heap. Today's special. Last night leftovers. Yum, 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 yum.
Oh, come on. We'll eat later. First, we need to head to the tracks of the train, or the train will leave us.
Food or train? Food or train? Okay, you're right. But if that train leaves without us, I am blaming you.
We made it. I can hear the train.
Forget hearing. I can see it. There it is, looking all shiny and loud.
So this is our friendly city, running after trains and garbage.
Yes, that's city life for you.
No hurting, no chasing prey. They have gone soft.
Of course, there aren't any animals in the city like in the jungle. They chase trains. Sounds fun. But it will say Dugga was sick. Not sick, injured. Big difference, you see.
Injured? Oh no! Was he attacked by a tiger, a leopard, a giant chicken?
No, he got hit by a car. While playing, he ran into the road.
A cat.
A moving car is stronger than an elephant. Believe me, Dugga never saw it coming.
Then what happened? Did anyone come to help Dugga? Or did he just there like a little line after lunch?
Oh, they helped him. Humans came rushing.
Oh no, look at poor Dugga. He was hit by a car. Such bad luck for our friend.
He suffered so many injuries, the poor thing.
We should take him to the vet quickly.
Yes, come on, let's take him now.
Dugga's condition is very serious. One of his leg isn't working anymore, and he's hurt in his stomach too. Maybe too many belly rubs.
Does that mean Dugga won't recover?
Not even with extra treats.
He will recover, but it will take time. Until then, we will have to take care of him. But the treatment and the medicines will cost money.
Don't worry, Doc. We'll ask everyone to pitch in for our favorite train chasing dog. You just make sure he's good as new, Dr. Saab.
Deal? Come along, everyone. Oh my God, Agar, that was so scary. Yes, indeed, that was so scary.
So what happened next, Agar?
Well, people raised money to help Dugga, and the vet treated him well. Did Dugga get back on his feet? Was he able to run after trains again? Yes, he recovered. He lost one leg, but he walks perfectly on 3 legs. Now he lives with 2 cats and 2 humans. Quite a family.
And does he still get to see the train every day?
Of course, he goes there daily, barking happily like before.
So humans really love us animals?
Obviously, they help each other and always sharing joys and sorrows.
Wow, maybe humans aren't so bad after all. Hey Agar, tell us another story.
Okay, but first tell me, what's the name of the country we live in?
India.
And what's at the
Jammu and Kashmir, right?
Close but not quite. It's Ladakh at the top, and I have a great story from there. Let's hear it while we all grab some water.
The prayer flags are making noise in the wind. They look so happy, as if they are carrying all our prayers to the mountains.
Hello, my friend. Where are you off in such a hurry?
Hello, Rigzen. I am heading home. Today, Abi is making sukpa. And you know, Abi's sukpa is the best in the whole town. No one else can make it like her.
You are absolutely right, Sering. I can still taste the last bowl I had at your place. It's like it stays with you, doesn't it?
Exactly. Do you want to come over? and have some with me?
Why not, Sering? I would never say no to Abhi's tupka. I will come.
Great. Then I will see you there. I am off to help Abhi now.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bolu, 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 where are you, Bolu? Bolu.
Molu, there you are again.
Ah, there is Molu, my little troublemaker, saying I should hire you as my lamb detective.
Well, Molu seemed to enjoy running into me. By the way, Tashi uncle, it's been a while since you have visited us. Today, Abhi is making thukpa. Would you like to come over?
You know, I was just thinking it's been too long. I will be happy to come sharing. Tell her I will be there tonight.
I'll let her know. See you this evening, Tashi uncle.
Okay, bye.
We will need to dig more to reach water. Ah, here it is.
Hello, Nima Bua. How are you? I see you. You are busy collecting water.
Hello, Sering. Yes. How are you today?
I am doing well, Bua. Abhi is making thuppa today. She will be so happy if you join us, you know. She always makes extra when we have guests.
Thukpa, you see? How can I refuse that? I will definitely come, Sering. But first, I need to take this water home. I will join you after that.
That sounds good, Bua. Abhi will be thrilled to see you.
Okay, see you this evening.
See you. Almost there. Almost there. The house is near.
Norbu uncle, you don't sound well. That cough doesn't seem to want to leave you. I am sure Abhi's thukpa will help you feel better. Come to our house this evening and have some.
Oh, Sering, you might be right. Abhi's thukpa can heal just about anything. I'll come after finishing my work.
Okay, uncle. I will be waiting for you. Don't be late.
Thank you for the invitation. Okay, see you.
Abhi, I am back. Where are you? Ah, Sering, you are back home. Did you invite anyone on your way home? Yes, Abhi. On my way back, I met Rigzin. I also ran into Tashi uncle. Molu had escaped again. So I invited them. I invited Nima Bua and Norbu uncle only. Oh, you have invited the whole village. Haven't you, my child? We will need to make plenty of thukpa tonight. I will need more water, more vegetables and definitely more noodles. Don't worry, Abhi. I will go to the garden and pick some fresh peas. We will make enough for everyone. That's a good idea. While you're in the garden, I'll get everything else ready. We are going to have a full house tonight. Sering. Where are you, brother? The thupka can't start without me.
Rickson, you have arrived. Come in before the cold gets to you.
Hello, Abhi. Yes, I have come, and my Amali has sent some cheese for you as well.
How kind of her. Thank you, Rickson. You're always so thoughtful. Come, let's warm up before the others arrive. How's your Amma, Rickson? Is she keeping warm in this weather?
She's doing well, Abhi. She spends most of her time knitting scarves for everyone in the neighborhood. It seems like no one will go without a warm scarf this winter.
She always has a generous heart. Let's make sure you both leave with a full belly tonight. You have a very bad cough, Norbu.
I will be fine, Abby. What have you brought, Norbu? I have brought some spinach for Thuppa.
Very nice. I will get a bowl.
Where is Sering, Abby?
He has gone to get peas from the garden.
Looks like someone is coming. It must be Sering.
Hello. This is Nima and Tashi. How are you, Abby? I am fine, Nima. We have brought jam and needed flour for noodles, Abby. Thank you. So why don't we start making thakpa?
Let Sering come first.
Everyone, here it is. Are these enough peas, Abby?
Enough sitting. Let's make the thukpa now.
Abby, where is the pot?
Oh, come, we will get it. Why don't we share the work? I will make noodles.
I will wash and chop the spinach leaves.
And I will chop the mushrooms and carrot into small pieces. Okay, I will chop the ginger and garlic.
So, I peel the peas.
Okay, then I am going to heat the oil and chop the onions and tomatoes.
What is this? The power went out.
Today you left before time. The moonlight is also very dim. How will we be able to work in this darkness? You are right. How will thukpa be made without help?
The darkness does not matter to me, Abby. I will help you.
It's okay, Sering. Let's make the thukpa now. Without the
I am getting hungry. I can't wait for Tukpa anymore.
The electricity has come back just in time.
And so is Abi with Tukpa.
Yes, here's hot thuppa for you all to taste.
It looks a little awkward.
Those noodles are made by me. I was able to make them like this in the dark. The rest of the noodles are made by Sereng.
Whatever the noodles are, Abby's thukpa is the best.
Absolutely.
I wonder if the thupka was good. Agar that was the best thupka.
After eating their fill of thukpa, everyone returned to their homes and Sereng went to sleep near his Abi.
It's about to be night. We should also go to sleep. You are right. Then it will become dark. I have to sleep early today.
I also have to get up early in the morning. Let's go. Goodbye, Agar Magar.
Tomorrow morning, I have to go to my aunt's house in another forest.
You will tell a story tomorrow too.
Right, Agar Magar?
Of course, I will tell you stories about our planet Earth and how we are making efforts to make it a better place to live in. But you will have to promise me something.
What is that?
That is from tomorrow onwards. You all will also brush your teeth so that your teeth shine like mine.
Okay, Agar Magar. We promise that we will keep our teeth clean.
Agar Magar, I am excited for tomorrow's stories. Please tell me little about it.
Ha ha ha! Come, watch what our friends are going to show. Let's sing with them.
Let's go.
There must be a better way to make things that we want, a way that doesn't spoil the earth. So let's shift our thoughts, let's rearrange and pave a path where hope can reign. So let's shift our thoughts, let's rearrange and pave a path where hope can reign. सोच बदलो तो बदलेगी दुनिया, खोजो तो मिल जाएंगी खुशियाँ। मन के पायदानों को ऊपर बढ़ाने से खुद बदलती जाएगी दुनिया। सोच बदलो तो बदलेगी दुनिया, खोजो तो मिल जाएंगी खुशियाँ। कोशिश थोड़ी सी करके, कोशिश हाँ कोशिश, कोशिश थोड़ी सी करके आज नया इतिहास रचेंगे। मेहनत ज्यादा करके हम, मेहनत हाँ मेहनत, मेहनत ज्यादा करके हम धरती को पावन कर देंगे। सोलर पावर को अपना के कार्बन फुटप्रिंट कम कर दे, साइकिल यूजर ज्यादा करके पॉल्यूशन को कम कर दे। गाने गाने नारे लगाना है ज्यादा आसान यहाँ, चाहिए सबको बस ट्रेंडिंग, बदली थिंकिंग तुमने कहा। चाहे सबको बस के दिन, बदली थिंकिंग तुमने कहा, बदली थिंकिंग
remarkable annual function. It is my honor to invite someone who has been a cornerstone of our success. Please join me in welcoming our esteemed principal ma'am on the stage. We look forward to hearing her reflections and thoughts on today's event.
So big round of applause firstly to the choir, who've done an amazing job of singing. Yes, and of course all your children. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Please. Thank you, children. You make me feel very good. Thank you. God bless everyone. Thank you so much, but thank you for being here. God bless. Love you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for enlightening us with your beautiful thoughts. A big thanks to all the parents and family members for your continued support and for cheering us on. Your presence adds warmth and encouragement to our efforts. As we end the show, I request everyone to stand up for the national anthem.